Most cash advance apps do not publish a verified approval rate, so the only honest way to compare them is by looking at approval requirements, eligibility checks, and how the application process works. By the end, you'll know which cash advance apps are easier to qualify for, what factors affect approval, and how to compare apps without relying on misleading claims. The first thing to understand is that there is no universal approval ranking for cash advance apps. An app that approves one person quickly may reject another because eligibility depends on factors like income information, account activity, employer connections, or the EAP's own review process. When comparing apps, start with the application requirements. Some apps focus on whether they can verify your income or banking information, while others may use different eligibility signals. The easier an app makes the verification process, the faster you can usually find out whether you qualify. The next factor is the approval experience. Check whether the app clearly explains its requirements before you apply. A good cash advance app should show what information it needs, how you connect your account, and what happens after you submit your request. Apps like Dave, Bridget, MoneyLion, Instacash, Earnin, and similar services are often compared because they all provide access to money before your regular payday. The difference is not just whether they offer advances, but how their approval process fits your situation. A common mistake is choosing an app because of a claimed approval percentage. Unless that number comes directly from the company with a clear explanation of how it was calculated, it does not tell you much about your own chances. Instead, compare 3 things: how the app checks eligibility, what information you need to provide, and how transparent the approval process is. Before applying, review the APS requirements and make sure your account information is ready. This can help you avoid unnecessary applications that do not match your situation. The best cash advance app depends on your personal eligibility, not a single approval rate number. Focus on clear requirements, a simple application process, and an app that explains its terms before you request money. To summarize, real approval rates are rarely available. Eligibility rules matter more than rankings, and comparing requirements is the best way to choose an app. Check the requirements for the apps you're considering before applying, and subscribe for more comparisons that break down financial apps clearly.